Welcome to the Tech Talk podcast, where we dive into the latest trends in technology and how they impact our everyday lives. I'm your host, and today we're exploring the fascinating world of GitHub, what it is, how it works, and why it matters so much in our digital age. To kick things off, let's think about coding for a second. If you've ever tried to write code, you know it can be a bit like solving a puzzle. You start with a few pieces, but the final picture isn't clear until you put everything together. Enter GitHub, a platform that not only helps developers manage their code, but also connects them with a community that shares the same puzzle-solving passion. So what makes GitHub so special? Well, it all begins with collaboration. Imagine working on a group project where everyone can see everyone else's contributions. GitHub makes that happen for developers around the world. Using features like pull requests, programmers can propose changes to a project, and others can review and discuss it before it's officially included. It's like a team of chefs tasting and tweaking a dish before it goes out to the restaurant. Now, let's talk security, which is a major consideration when dealing with code. GitHub has built-in tools to help find and fix vulnerabilities in your code. You might wonder, why is that such a big deal? Well, consider this. The moment you push your code to the internet, you open yourself up to potential threats. GitHub's features help keep developers' work safe from prying eyes before they go live, sort of like a security guard at the entrance of a high-tech fort. There are also GitHub Actions, which automate workflows. Imagine not having to do mind-numbing tasks repeatedly, like a robot assistant taking care of those mundane tasks, freeing you to be more creative. So instead of manually checking code, GitHub can automatically handle that for you. And for those interested in supporting open source projects, there's the GitHub Sponsors feature. It allows developers to fund the projects they care about. It's pretty inspiring to think that with a few clicks, you could help empower someone else's passion project and, in turn, influence the tech landscape. So you might be wondering, how do all these features impact you, the everyday tech user? Well, think about all the apps you use. Most of them rely on open source code that's hosted on platforms like GitHub. By providing developers with the tools they need to collaborate and innovate, GitHub plays a crucial role in the evolution of technology that we, as users, benefit from daily. Before we wrap up, here's a thought-provoking question to leave you with. How would you improve your own daily workflow if you had access to advanced collaboration tools like GitHub? Maybe give it some thought, and you just might discover a new way to streamline your tasks. That's a wrap for today. Thanks for tuning in to Tech Talk. Remember, whether you're a developer crafting the next big application or just an enthusiastic tech user, platforms like GitHub shape the tools and technologies we rely on every day. Stay curious, and catch you next time.